Hi, teen! Welcome dito sa This is SB19 playlist. At dahil tayo ay nasa third installment ng ikalawang yugto, uumpisahan natin ito sa simula at isa-isa nating dadaanan ng kwento nito hanggang wakas. Ang kantang What ay ang naging pinakasimula ng journey namin, especially to independence and creative freedom. Ito ang nagsilbing seed that eventually sprouted and grew into the tree you know now.
Ang Mapa naman ay isang love song towards our parents and parental figures. Ito ay tungkol sa walang sawa nilang pagmamahal at paniniwala sa amin, lalo na sa mga panahong as if there is no light at the end of the tunnel. This is our way of returning to them the love that they gave us from the start until the end.
Kung meron kaming kanta para sa mga nagmamahal sa amin, meron din kaming kanta para sa non-believers. Bazinga is an anthem where we say that all your hate is fuel for us to get even more fired up to do all we can to succeed.
At syempre, di namin kayo kakalimutan, ang minamahal naming 18. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, kasama namin kayo sa aming paglalakbay. Regardless of paano or kailan ka naging fan, whether from Aurum, from the Nameless fandom, or 18, or even the moment we went viral, the fact na naniwala kayo sa amin ay isang malaking bagay na we won't ever take for granted. At dahil dyan, we dedicate this song for you.
Wyatt Mark, our first foray into a lot of things. Ito yung time na nag-first world tour kami. First time din namin na maka-experience ng mga bagay, especially away from home, and super na-test talaga yung teamwork namin. Both with a group and with our touring team. This was the era of a lot of firsts, especially in the scale of going global.
We have now reached the pagtatag era, and dito talaga namin naramdaman yung potential namin to go global. Di namin in-expect na gento yung magiging viral global hit from this era. From the Philippines, umabot ito ng South Korea, Japan, China, and USA at marami pa, with a lot of people, maski celebrities and influencers, suddenly doing the dance challenge. Ito yung kantang nagbukas ng maraming opportunities talaga sa amin, and we would say na nagpatatag sa pangalan ng SB19.
I Want You is the first slow R&B song we did na more mature yung vibe. And it was also the first that we collaborated with a world-renowned producer na si August Rigo. And it was really easy to work with him. And sobrang ganda kasi first time namin talaga maka-experience na kumanta ng R&B song.
You know what? This is the song that really said tuloy lang ang laban. Crimzone is all about persistence in the face of originality. Nothing ever beats being original and innovative. Basically, this song means kahit sa gitna ng lahat ng pagsubok, we will never lose our touch. We will always strive to be better each time, even if it means sacrificing blood, sweat, and tears.
Sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, syempre as humans, napapagod din tayo. And at the end of the day, kailangan nating magpahinga. Ilaw essentially tells about the struggles that us as a group and as individuals suffer with behind closed curtains. Despite basking and enjoying ourselves under the spotlight, minsan di mo na namamalayan na you get lost in the process. And so this is a plea for the lights to go out even just for a while so we can have the chance to heal and come back to ourselves.
Ito na! Ito na ang pinakahihintay ng lahat. Simula at wakas is finally upon us at dahil natanaw at napagdaanan na natin isa-isa ang journey ng SB19 sa trilogy na to, Damn is a time wherein we don't hold ourselves back anymore and go all out in every aspect. This is a powerful anthem that takes all that success and hardships that has happened in the past few years. And now, we're releasing all that energy out into the world. As simula at wakas dawns upon us, Damn is just the beginning.